To start replacing this passenger side fender liner, and it's actually going to be the same for the driver's side, I'm going to start at the front and remove a few 10mm bolts. There we go. And continuing on with a few push clips. There's one here. Actually, at this point, it's all going to be push clips from here on. That's free. There's one over here. Some of them are different, so make sure you remember where they go, just because they're different sizes. Okay, this front part can come right off. Following it along the wheel well, or wheel arch, you'll see another push clip that looks like this. Keep following it up, you'll see more push clips. A 10mm bolt right here, and one underneath. Now you can take the fender liner right out. So underneath this piece of trim here, fender liner's kind of stuck, so you have to pull it out. It's got this plastic insert that the screw screws into. And it's just stuck on that plastic insert. Perfect. And here it is. There's your fender liner. I'm going to bring the new fender liner in, and I'm actually going to attach it up top with a couple push clips. That way it sits here and it doesn't want to keep falling on me. So I'll try to line up some of the holes. Make sure you tuck it back into where it belongs. Okay, line everything up and start the screw in. Just going to work my way up. Put back all the push clips. All right, let's finish this up here. A screw going through here. Line this all up. Push clip right here. Make sure it's the right one. This is a larger hole, so the larger push clip has to go in here. Okay. Another push clip over here. And this thing right here.